in connection sa tanong ni Ivan kanina, Miss Erica, any plan that you're gonna bring Vanessa back to the Philippines to play for the WMPBL?
I think that's up to her. WMPBL is private club, so kung merong nag-offer sa kanya, nakaiba niya sa yung she wants to play or not. Pero yung federation naman will not meddle into those matters.
Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon. I'm Gab Pera, Sports Corner PH and PJT. Sino dito yung mga pupunta for the Asian Beach Games? Okay, so bukas kayo aalis to Sanya. So how do you prepare nga for this competition and gaano ito malaking tulong yung recent na FIBA tournaments para hopefully ma-attain natin yung podium finish there sa Asian Beach Games?
Yun nga, parang bukas flight na kami papuntang Sanya and competing for Asian Beach Games. Yung preparation namin, yun nga sabi kanina ni Coach Anton na yun nga, hindi kami na-stop sa laro yung calendar namin sa amin, sa 3x3, tuloy-tuloy. So, yung training namin everyday, yung sistema ni Coach Anton, nandun pa rin So, parang nag-iiba-iba lang yung line-up, pero still yung system ni Coach Anton, yung pa rin na-adapt ng mga bagong pasok na player kasi iisang pool lang din. So, parang sa amin, mas madali lang maglaro ng magkakasama kasi ni games. Kasi nagkakasama rin kami kahit hindi namin nakasama yung ibang players sa pool kasi andun din sila sa training. So, malaking help din sa amin yun para mas maganda rin yung finish namin sa Sanya. Yun.
Ikaw naman.
Ibang line-up pero iba rin yung namin, yung strike namin sa line-up nito. So we have Gabi Bande and KP Gorin. Well, nung FIBA World Cup and Asia Cup, we have Ate April and Casey. So yung line-up na yun, we have them na may malaki kami, we have Casey. So siya yung namin, parang yung game plan namin more on Casey. And syempre Ate April kasi siya yung the best talaga. But this time, we have shooter naman si Gabi and si Kay na sobrang bilis. So gusto namin i-maximize kung ano yung strength namin. Yung lineup na yun is Asian Beach Games. Pero yung sinabi nito to, chemistry din namin problema yun kasi palagi naman kami nag-training together everyday. Talagang since last year pa kasama namin si Kay, even si Gabi. So for me, hindi na kami mahihirapan. It's more on na lang sabi ni Tantoy, mahirap kasi yung gano'n parang kahit sa panalo, parang baka mag-relax kami. So, yung mental namin talaga, kailangan lahat namin labanan. Siyempre yung pagod din na back-to-back tournament, yung recovery namin. Plus, si Tantoy naglalaro pa ng 5-on-5. So, malaking bagay sa amin yun na kailangan manage yung recovery ni Tantoy. But, for me, positive pa rin ako. Naniniwala ako sa teammate ko, sa sistema namin. So,
KKC naman, what will be the steps you want to undertake upang mas malalo ka pa ma-improve upon coming into the World Cup stage? Yung mga skills na kailangan mo ma-improve on.
siguro, need ko lang matutunan ko is, ma-master ko yung parang system ni Coach Anton sa paano niya kami gusto maglaro and siguro makuha din yung chemistry namin ng isa't isa para super ready talaga kami to the World Cup. And sa individual skills, siguro more on shooting para kasi we know naman na the players they're super tall and siguro yung mga finishes din.
Lastly, kay Sir Ryan Gogoyong, ating SBP President, you attended... Sorry po SBP 2x3 Director. You recently attended niya yung launch ng Champions Cup ng PLab. So what will be the help niya ng SBP upang mas lalo pang maakit pa yung ating mga tournaments dito kagaya yung Champions Cup ni Ma'am Rose ng NBL upang mas lalong ma-attract pa yung mga homegrown basketball players nga na masubukan niya itong 2x3 basketball at lalo na yung finals, makakarap yung Korean team natin. Thank you.
Alam mo, everybody plays a very big role. You, the members in the media, also plays a huge role in popularizing prioritizing and just giving importance to the 3x3 platform. So if we have tournaments like that, it just expands our grassroots the competition in 3x3 at lumalaki yung talent pool natin. That is why I was there in that press conference specifically to attest to the importance of such a tournament that can help the SBP get new talents so that we can sustain whatever efforts we're trying to accomplish.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Jerry, morning po. Coach Anton, ang clarification. During yung qualifier kasi may strategy kayo to replace Cheska pag with Inalin. Pero ano lang yung reason doon? Yan.
Usually naman pag FIBA tournaments, we already give our lineup like ahead of time, like 2 or 3 weeks before. So, planado na talaga yun ever since naman na Tantoy would play in the World Cup and Cheska would play in the Asia Cup. Basically, ano lang naman yan, it's more of matchups lang. World Cup kasi we play around European teams, so it requires a bit more taller lineups. Sa Asia Cup kasi it's a mix of teams na they have small players that usually like Japan and some teams like Australia. So we just felt matchup-wise who would fit in there.
So, we already have a lineup pa for the World Cup.
Wala pa. We're still deliberating on our line.
Pero may pool na tayo. Or sila na yung lima ba?
And you're gonna be able to select from your pool of players. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung eligibility pinala you're gonna get outside the pool. Pero usually naman from our pool lang kami pool.
Okay, Mika, how fulfilling lang na after yung Asia Cup last year, ikaw na lang yung natira sa team and then silver medal kayo this year.
But syempre, sobrang happy po. Playing with Phil, syempre, and Casey, and Cheska. Syempre, ano ko me personally, I dedicated yung tournament na yun for kami pa rin, Jasmine Osan and Kay Bingon. Yung 2 years na yun, sila din talaga nagtrabaho na every year talagang gumaganda yung performance. Well, syempre, hindi sila available palagi, like injuries, tapos may ibang commitment. And so, yun, thankful din ako na nandito sila Ate Af na, alam mo yun, pag isang tawag, represent the country, parang duty talaga niya to represent the country. So, siya wala akong isip-isip yan, basta para sa Pilipinas. And, ayun, more than anything, nagpapasalamat ako na walang serious injury. Kasi yung 2 taon na yun, talagang injury. So, yun yung masakit sa amin kasi alam namin na kaya namin mag-finish ng podium pero dahil sa injury, yun. So, yeah. Sobrang thank you kay Lord kasi this time wala talagang serious injury. And sa calendar namin na punong-puno, talagang yun yung lagi kong hinihiling na hindi naman namin kailangan na sobrang daming gawin na kung ano-ano pa. Basta wish ko lang walang may injury kasi yung talent, hindi naman magagamit yung talent namin kung may injury na naman sa amin.